Hello students. Today we are going to know about some inventions and discoveries which have taken place in this world. The first one we are going to know is who invented the radio. Guglielmo Marconi, an Italian, built the first proper radio set in 1895. It sent messages through radio waves. Signals were also sent not through the wires but through the air. Students, do you know who invented the telephone? The telephone was invented by a Scottish American, Graham Bell, in 1875. Later on, Thomas Edison modified the existing one and produced much more successful telephone. The next discovery which was done was the first communication satellite. Do you know what is a communication satellite? A communication satellite is an artificial satellite which orbits the Earth, picking up signals and sending them onto a receiver thousands kilometers away. Telstar is the first active satellite which orbited in 1962. Now comes the calculator. The first calculating machine which was made by Blaise Pascal in 1642. This machine would only add and subtract. So, the first machine which could also multiply and divide was invented by Gottfried Leibniz in 1694. Finally, in 1971, the first electronic calculator was used. Now, you all enjoy the television during this lockdown. But do you know who invented the television? The television was demonstrated in public for the first time in 1926 by a Scottish named John Logie Baird. The original machine, which was made from an old box, cake tin, knitting needles and a bicycle lamp. Now comes the battery. Do you know who invented the battery? An Italian scientist, Alessandro Volta, invented the battery in 1800. To honor his discovery, the electric unit is also called volt. Who invented the printing press? Do you know? About 2000 years ago, the Chinese started the work of printing blocks. This was the very simplest method. So, the modern type of printing which was done with the help of printing press. It was invented by a German named Johannes Gutenberg in 1440. Now comes the typewriter. Do you know who invented the typewriter? He was Henry Mill in 1714. But in the year 1829, William Burt of United States patented the first typewriter. You all love to write with pen. So do you know who invented the ballpoint pen? He was a Hungarian journalist, Ladislav Biro, invented the ballpoint pen in 1930. It contained a tube filled with quick-drying ink. Nowadays, the thermometer is very important and it is present in everybody's house. But you know, it was invented in 1660. The first practical alcohol thermometers were used. But in 1714, later on, a much more accurate mercury thermometer was made by Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. You all know about the X-rays. When we are ill, our X-ray is taken so that the disease can be identified on that particular area. So, it was designed in very late 1895 by a German scientist, Wilhelm Röntgen, which was used to photograph bones in the body. Now comes the CT scanner. Do you know the full form of CT scanner? CT scanner means computerized tomography. They take numerous pictures of internal body as well as brain. It was developed by a British scientist named Godfrey Hounsfield in 1972. Now, do you know who built the first petrol-powered vehicle? Karl Benz, a German engineer, built the first petrol-powered vehicle in 1885. The first real four-wheeled car was developed by Gottlieb Daimler in 1886. Students, do you know when was the first steamboat built? The first working steamboat was built by a Frenchman named Marcus de Geoffroy de Banz in 1783. The paddle of this boat worked by a steam engine. Do all of you know what is a submarine? A submarine is a specialized watercraft that can operate underwater. The first submarine, called Turtle, was designed by the American David Bushnell in 1776. Now here come some other inventions and discoveries. Like the modern pencil was invented by Nicolas Jacques-Conti in 1795. A dry cell was invented by Georges Lalande in 1865. Do you know the first electricity generator was invented by Michael Faraday in 1821, way back? The transistors was first invented by William Shockley, John Bardeen and Walter Bretton in 1948. Alexander Fleming discovered the penicillin in 1928. The stethoscope, which is used by the doctors, was invented by Rene Théophile Hyacinthe Lignac in 1860. Microwave oven, which is a very important thing nowadays in our homes, was developed by Percy Spencer in 1946. And lastly, but not the least, electric iron, which is used in everybody's house, was made by Henry Seeley in 1882. So from now, thank you very much. In a new edition, we will come with more discoveries and inventions that have been taken place in the world in a second edition. Thank you very much.